Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the part of this edition. I'm going to be walking you down to understanding when a market wants to reverse. One of the basic things about forex is there are two things that we actually do in the market. We actually buy or we sell. Now, when to know when the market wants to reverse from a buy or the buy direction to a sell direction is actually a what? A massive urge. Now, I'm going to be walking you down to understanding when this thing is about to happen. So first of all, when we look at the marketplace, what we notice that we are bullish rather. So market has been bullish from this zone here. It has been bullish. Now the another thing we have to point out is I love to map out zones here, mostly other blocks that are very significant because the market is actually going to playing with them because they tell us what price is actually doing most of the times. If you're able to get the clear picture. Now if you look closely here, you will notice something here. Okay, this was the last swing high. And I always like to map out the zone to understand what price is actually doing. Now this was the last swing high. The reason I kept my trend line, my vertical line there, sorry, horizontal line there. So I want to understand what price is doing. Now this was the last swing low. Let's go back. This was the last swing low. This right here. Okay. Sorry, take this out. This was the last swing low here at this zone here. So what did we see price do? Price actually broke below it. Now whenever there's a break here, it shows price about to change direction from bullish to bearish. Now another thing we like to do in the market is to get a clear confirmation. Now don't forget, this video is all about when to know when price is about to change direction. Okay, now what did we see happen here? Let me take this all out. After the break, the market actually went up and actually came back down. So this is a clear indication that the market shift, changing direction. Now what do I like to do? I said, like before, I always want to map out the last order block here because price is going to be coming to respect it. Now let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Price came back up to it. As you can see, it touched this order block. It came back to this order block. It came to this order block here, confirming it with this one, which is a clear indication that some folks will say this is the head, left side shoulder and the right side shoulder, and this is the head, this is the left side, this is the right side shoulder. So price is about to go up. As you can see, we have an evening star here telling us that the price has shifted, market has shifted direction for us to take price to the downside. Now this is a clear indication that shows that price has turned from bullish to bearish. I created the part 1 of this video. If you're first time of watching our YouTube channel, I would like you to subscribe, like, and hit the comment section below so we can give hints to it. Now let's understand what happened here. Now I need you to note a very vital point which I did not mention in the part 1 of this video. I'm going to be saying it here. Now notice something. Anytime the other block that led to the break here, price is going to be coming back here to respect it, back to this zone here to respect it. This other block that took price to this downside, immediately there's a break, price is going to be coming back to it to respect it. giving us a confirmation that we're about turning what from bullish to what to bearish. Now I'll take you to GBP USD so we can just map out some zones there. Now what can we see here? This is GBP USD. This is the last order block here. This was the last one that took price to the upside. They call this the neckline. Now if we draw this closely, you will notice that the neckline was broken. The neckline was broken. What happened? The neckline was broken here. So now notice with me the price actually, after breaking the neckline, it came to this last order block here, confirming it here, confirming with this last order block that was here in the left side of the order block. Now before dropping to the downside, before dropping to the downside, there was a what? After the break, market structure shift, the market came back to this first order block here before dropping back here to the downside. Now what are we expecting to happen? It's simple. This is pretty advanced, but I'll just say it. I'm expecting this market to come take this double high here after moving from here to this zone here before dropping. Why? Because this was the last order block that led to a break of structure here. Let me point this out. There was a break of structure here. It broke below this. So I'm expecting the price, regardless of what has happened, that the market has moved down, I'm still expecting it to come here. Why? Because there's a fair value gap here to take price to the downside. So that's all for this video. If you get any value from it, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment in the section below.